Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and today we have Miss Cassandra Rhodes with us. Miss Cassandra is a native of Chicago but relocated here to Atlanta in 2016. She is a wife, a mother of one, and a grandmother to 2 grandchildren. She is also the proud owner of the Gumbo Gourmet, and today we're going to be discussing how a business idea can translate to a generational wealth planning strategy for you and your family. Now let's get into this. All right, Miss Cassandra, so you are the owner of the Gumbo Gourmet.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain to us what it is and what inspired you to start the Gumbo Gourmet?
Well, the Gumbo Gourmet is a Cajun eatery in the Atlanta metro area. We are located at 1520 Avenue Place, right across the street from the CDC. And we sell gumbo. We do it very well. We keep a simple menu, and we sell po' boys. We try to keep it authentic, and we make it accessible to the people in Atlanta. They say that Louisiana is one of the top 5 food tourism locations in America. And the Gumbo Gourmet came about by way of just being a good business idea, if you will. Not only am I a good cook, I've been cooking my whole life, I think, but gumbo itself started as a result of friends kind of coming over from school, eating on Sundays, kind of like, hanging out, that kind of thing. And, when you think about business decisions, you want to do the thing that's the differentiator, the thing that's going to make you stand out, right? And in Atlanta, we have so many wing places. You have the Mexican places. You got taco places, and they're not the same. You have the hookah spots, the brunch spots. Everything you can possibly name where you need valet, you got to do this, you got to do that. And when it comes down to just doing something very simple, I know gumbo isn't simple to make, but it is definitely a southern tradition, if you will, of food, and it's authentic and it's really good. It's for the flavor enthusiasts, the people who will travel 5+ miles for a 5-star eating experience and who want to experience that, handmade, really good down home, food. And so gumbo was just a different thing. It was the better business idea if I was going to go into food service.
Okay, well thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.